Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the previous lectures, we were discussing different parameters about the global food issues. And those parameters, today we will discuss the human factors, as it is a parameter of prime importance. To improve the nutritional status of the human beings have to overcome several obstacles or barriers. They may be due to the religion, due to the culture, the tradition, or due to the superstitions. If we take the example of the religion, this has been observed that riots took place in India against the slaughtering of the cows, as they considered the cow a sacred animal, and they were demanding for a complete ban on the slaughtering of the cow. The complete ban, if implemented, will lead to minimize the amount of the protein supply, the meat supply to the consumers. For this purpose, the yield will be low and the health as a result of which will also be low. The diseases will be high and there will be deficiency of the meat or the protein. To overcome this problem, they have some to grow some yeast, bacteria or algae and some other foods to increase the amount of the protein production. Moreover, there are some animals and birds which are kept by the farmers. They have low production as compared to the amount of the food they are consuming. The production they are giving is less than that, so they need to be replaced by the animals and birds with high production, but due to the financial status of the farmers or due to the customs and traditions, it is resisted to accept the change and to replace them with high yielding animals. For this purpose, the high yielding animals will provide us more milk, more meat, more poultry and eggs on the low amount of food they are consuming. Moreover, the manure which is obtained from the animals is used for two purposes. Either it is burnt at home as fuel or is supplied to the crops as fertilizer. Remember that foods eaten in an area are not accepted in the other regions, as they are accepted and eaten in a specific area. If there is shortage of the food and it is supplied from an outer area to that specific area, the people will resist to accept them as their diet. This resistance is high in those areas which are underdeveloped. This may be due to the low development, or maybe due to the illiteracy, or maybe due to the culture or the traditions, and maybe due to some superstitions or maybe some religious issues involved with it to restrict its use. But in the developed region, as they are not required, they are accepted and consumed. Remember that there is a good change or difference between the animals and the human beings in this context. The human beings don't accept the foods grown in an area to be consumed in the specific area to which it is transported or to which it is shifted. But the animals will accept the foods more efficiently for consumption and for production purposes. This lecture is uploaded after a few days due to some health issues. From now onward, I will try to upload the lectures regularly to keep you aware and update you about the parameters. And if you have any question, you may ask, please. I will try to answer all the questions you ask. Thank you.